Hello, welcome back to London 368. Thank you for joining me. Today's topic is Portless iPhone 17 gaming test. Why mobile gamers should fear the cable removal. So what if I told you the next iPhone can remove the charging port entirely, and that this one change might seriously affect how you game? No cable, no direct connection, just wireless everything. Sounds futuristic, but for mobile gamers, this could be a problem. Today we're breaking down the Portless iPhone 17 concept, putting it through a real-world gaming lens. Not just specs, not just hype, we're talking latency, heat, battery drain, and competitive performance. The things that actually matter if you play seriously. So what Portless really means. Portless phone removes the Lightning or USB-C port entirely. That means charging is 100% wireless, data transfer is fully cloud or wireless based, accessories connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi only. On paper it simplifies design, fewer openings, better water resistance, cleaner build. But for gaming, that's where things get complicated. Gaming while charging. Let's start with the biggest issue, charging during gameplay. Right now, if you're grinding ranked matches or playing long sessions, you plug in and keep going. But the Portless device, your only option is wireless charging. Here's the problem. Wireless charging generates more heat. Heat equals thermal throttling. Thermal throttling equals lower FPS and unstable performance. In fast-paced games, that's the difference between winning and losing. Serious mobile gamers often use wired controllers, lower latency headphones, or direct capture setups. Without a port, everything runs through Bluetooth or wireless protocols. Even the best wireless tech adds latency. Casual players, it's fine. Competitive players, even a few milliseconds matters. The battery drain and efficiency. Wireless systems aren't just about convenience, they're less efficient. Portless setup means constant wireless communication or background power usage and less efficient charging cycles. But during a game, the battery drains faster, charging takes longer, and you can't fast recover with a cable. That's a triple hit to long gaming sessions. Streamers and content creators. If you stream or record gameplay, this gets worse. Right now, creators rely on capture cards, direct cable output, and stable wired connection. With no port, you're relying on wireless streaming only, which introduces compression, lag, and instability. That's not ideal if you're building content professionally. Here's something most people aren't talking about. Wireless charging plus heavy gaming equals stacked heat sources. You're generating heat from the CPU, GPU, adding heat from the charging coil. The compounds quickly, and modern chips will throttle hard under these conditions. So, while a Portless iPhone 17 might look sleek and futuristic, mobile gamers it introduces real trade-offs. More heat, higher latency, slower charging during play, and reduced competitive performance. This isn't just a design change, it's a fundamental shift in how you use your phone for gaming. What do you think? Is it something you'd use? What would you give up your charging port for a cleaner design? Or is this a deal breaker for gaming? Drop your thoughts below, and if you want more real no hype tech breakdowns, hit subscribe, like and share. Join the ever-growing wolf pack. Hope you enjoyed this. You have. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.